See the beast, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can speed up your utorrent. Let's go.
Okay guys, first we go to options, then preferences, or you can use Ctrl P hotkey. Then we type this number 64582, then we go to bandwidth section and change these boxes to 0 and uncheck these labels. Type here 1525. Then we go to BitTorrent section and uncheck these two boxes. Click enabled and click allow incoming legacy connections. Then we go change this section to 50, this to 25, minimum ratio 200, 0 and 0. Then we go to advanced BTLO, change to true. Then we can type here to find DHT.rate, change to and set. Click here RSS.u and change to 20. And last, click net.max and click here 1000. With this, guys, your speed will increase several times. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Write your questions down below in the comment section. And of course, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Take care. Peace out.